Hello to all the friends of Rifra. Today we are at the home of one of our clients and we thank him for his hospitality and welcome Kledy. Hi Kledy, thank you for hosting us in your home.
Thank you.
First of all, it is beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We did our best to align everything with our idea, with the idea of our home, and with your kitchen. We found ourselves really, well...
Has a dream come true?
Yes, absolutely.
So, let's talk a bit about this house of yours, which belongs to your family. Correct me if I'm wrong, you have been living in this house for 3 years. So the idea of combining and adding to this dream, because the house is the dream, right? It is the sacred place, the one where there is love, family, friends. It is the gathering place, right? Maybe after work and everything, he finds himself at home. And for us at Rifra, this is a fundamental concept because the kitchen is the place where you cook, talk. And even though I know that Mom Laura, whom we greet, is very protective, we are happy about that. Very jealous of the kitchen. But let's remember the model you chose. The fly. Exactly. Clean model. In this case, as you can see behind us, it is white and perfectly matches the environment of this wonderful home.
Yes, then it is the model that my mother chose.
Picked mother.
She chose everything herself. We had nothing to do with it. We just gave a few ideas, but her idea was the one. She wanted the kitchen to be all white, except for the snack area.
I agree with her because I too will want to have the...
He says white is immortal.
Well done. Well done, Laura.
His idea was that, except for the snack that we decided to add later, but here it is, his idea was that he wanted the white kitchen. He wanted the kitchen only from Rifra, meaning he didn't want anything else. Because that is the kitchen he liked. From the very first moment, he saw it. And that's it.
It was love first sight.
Exactly.
Claudio, I interrupt you because from what you are telling us, we are very happy about this. It is very clear that this kitchen has been a dream from the very beginning, a dream that has now come true. And this is extremely important for us to convey to our friends, precisely because we sell dreams. And in this case, it has been so for you.
Yes, so it was a dream. At first it seemed a little, not unattainable, but when you saw them you thought, but mine will be like this. Because I want it custom made, I want it like this, I want it in this color, in this version, I want everything to match perfectly. So then we got in touch, we made the design, and then when we saw the design, they came to install it, and that was it. The fears went away.
And as you just said, we obviously, and for anyone who might be interested, should not be afraid because you have just testified to the fact that our clients or future clients are followed from A to Z, accompanied just like friends, and they will never feel alone because Rifra supports them from the beginning to the end and of the project. But it doesn't end here. I know that in addition to the kitchen, you also chose us for the selection of 2 bathrooms.
2 bathrooms, one downstairs on the ground floor, the other on the first floor. The one on the ground floor is completely white because there are also the tiles. It is a totally white bathroom, while the one upstairs is a little darker. The bathroom is dark gray. The walls are all in resin and the sinks are a pinkish spatulated finish.
You have chosen to continue your home project with the world of Rifra. But I wanted to ask you, how did you get to know us? Because so many people follow us and contact us through Instagram, and it seems that the same happened in your case.
Yes, since we were in the process of buying a house and furnishing everything, Rifra Milan came up among the recommended options, and we said, let's take a look. Well, she opens Instagram, it's always my mother. She opens Instagram and sees the kitchens, and from there, that's it. She opened Instagram, saw the kitchens, and said, I want it like this, and that's it.
It's gone. That's it. Simple. Without any pain, it's gone. Period. Believe me, I have another question for you. This is your parents' house. Of course, it is your house, but obviously when you open those doors and go live on your own, you will choose, of course, Rifra, right?
Absolutely.
But would you choose a white kitchen like Mom Laura or go for a dark one like our Juan?
I want it dark gray.
Okay, perfect.
I will take mine in dark gray.
Perfect. So here you have it. White. The one that will be your home will go for slightly darker tones, rightly a bit more masculine, but don't worry. Rifra has all the possible choices. What advice would you give to those who are undecided or watching us?
So I have to be honest, we also do this for a living. We renovate houses or build houses. A kitchen like this or a bathroom like this, not because we chose it, but I have never seen it.
Perfect. I would say there is no better conclusion.
I have seen her.
Kledy, thank you so much for your hospitality. Please send regards to your family and thank you for choosing us. Of course, we are looking forward to your choice of kitchen, but that is a bit further down the line. But before we say goodbye to our friends and thank them for watching, I remind you that to stay updated, you can follow us on our official social media channels, Facebook and Instagram. Visit our website, www.rifra.com, where you can see all our work and updates. And we invite you to our new showroom in November, also on Corso Matteotti. And of course, we are also waiting for you, Kledy.
Yes, that's fine.
Thank you very much, everyone. Until next time, bye.
Rifra, Kitchens and Beds, direct from Milano.